There's the cooling towers just behind there, look. I'll tell you what we'll do, we'll walk over to the other side of the road. Let's go over to the other side of the road. Oh, that's better. Just taking some pictures of Fiddler's Ferry power station. And it looks like we're getting approached by somebody. We're not on their property, so it's all good. Hey up. Got a bit of recording improve. Pardon? I can't hear you. I can't hear you.
Right, who are you?
Who am I? Why? Because I'm just a bit.
Okay, you can't take photos.
Why not?
The signs are here.
Yeah, the signs are there for the other side of that, yeah. Well, I'm on a public footpath.
You know, this is ours.
This isn't yours. Yours is there from there. Yes, it is. This is a public footpath. This is
So you got a camera going?
Yeah,
This is all ours, this.
This is a public footpath. What? I'm not going to go on your site. I'm taking photos of the power station.
You could be,
All right.
they might probably give you permission.
Would they?
But yeah, they might.
Yeah, but I don't come down up here very often, so I'd have to make an appointment and all that lot, wouldn't I? Yeah, yeah. No, I know, no.
But we've been
Yeah, that's fair enough. Yeah.
I know you're videos made that.
Well, I'm only because you've approached me. That's all.
No, yeah, I'm not being aggressive.
No, you're not. No, you're not. No, you. One of my interest in this is that's my YouTube channel. My dad used to work here years and years ago.
Oh, nice.
And that's what, and I know it's recently shut down, hasn't it? So
It's gone now.
yeah, it's shut. Yeah.
That's all I can say.
Yeah, it's not an active station anymore. No, I know that. Yeah. What?
Sold my archives.
Yeah. Is that SSE? Yeah. Yeah. It's fair enough. Yeah. Yeah. I mean, I wouldn't do that side of the side, not without permission anyway. Yeah. Well. Yeah. But it's dead power station. Yeah. I have documented quite a few power stations in the UK. There's only 3 active coal stations. Well, one of them's near, not quite a coal-fired station anymore, which is Drax, isn't it? That's turning over to wood pellets, isn't it?
Well, I don't know.
Yeah. Oh, don't you know? Well, a bit of interest. Yeah.
We do a job.
You've got Ratcliffe Power Station in Nottingham, which is still coal-fired, but that's just ticking over. You've got West Burton.
Yeah, I know where West Burton is.
Yeah, they're the only 2.
There's something coming up now as my site manager.
Oh right. Oh, in the van.
In the van, yeah.
Right.
But we patrol, as you know.
Yeah.
And we've had a lot of problems in the past with eco warriors. And,
oh yeah, I know you have. I know. Yeah, I know you have.
Yeah. Come together.
Yeah.
You can understand.
Of course I can. Yeah. Of course I can. But like I say, as long as this is clearly a public footpath, because there's the. Yeah. If he's polite to me, and you know, it's a public footpath along here and back down there. Hey up. You alright? Are you recording as well? Yeah, me too.
Certainly am. Just need to make you aware that you are being recorded.
So are you. Yeah.
You should ask what you're doing.
I've just told this guy.
Taking photographs on a public footpath, he said.
I'm on a public footpath, just taking photos. That's the boundary there.
Alright, I apologise for that.
Yeah. No, I can.
And it will be on that side.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah. That's it.
No.
Just let you know.
If I go running down there, yes, you can.
We'll have,
but
we'll have the police. We don't touch it.
No, I know. The other thing then, you said about permission and things. I presume I'd have to write to SSE or someone like that, would I?
To do media.
If I got a bit closer to it, just.
If you want to get closer, yes, you can contact SSE.
Would it be SSE? Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
They're the people that still own the.
That's right. Yeah. Because it's not long since it's been shut, has it?
Yeah. We're still open.
Yeah. But you're not. It's not generating anymore, is it?
Not generating, but we still have planned that's at this present moment in time still working.
Of course, yeah.
Just explain about the eco warriors and
Yeah, I'm not one of.
trespassers coming
Yeah.
in. So that's why we're a bit
Yeah.
come up to you fast.
You were pretty quick, actually. I must admit. Yeah, you were. I mean, I'd literally put the camera down there, took one photograph. Did you?
Yeah, you're on camera. But
Yeah.
so,
That's.
yeah, we've got to protect the property.
Yeah.
That's our job.
No worries, is it? Yeah.
Thank you for being polite in that.
And you, yeah, you know, it's all right. That's, like I say, that's all I'm up to.
That's why we've invited our
Yeah.
manager.
I mean, I would like to get some pictures of the towers and things, but I presume the industrial estates and stuff at the back you can get a bit.
Yeah, there's one place I can direct you to which you get a decent shot of the towers.
Yeah.
Car park at the Square of India.
Oh right, okay. You can get all.
Car park, you get a decent view of the towers.
Yeah. Yeah. Because
That's little bit cameras as well.
Yeah. Well, that's.
Yeah, so they might chase you off their property.
Yeah, but I mean.
They might.
Yeah, that's good.
Or the bridge.
Actually, yeah.
The bridge. But you've just come over. Have you walked or?
We've come from Warrington area.
Okay. The bridge up there.
Yeah.
You can park yourself on top of the bridge.
Oh, can you?
You get a nice
Right,
view.
okay.
You can't do nothing about it.
No.
Property.
Yeah, that's
So,
right, yeah.
I appreciate that you're
Yeah.
this side and not that, because
Yeah,
we do call the police automatic.
that's
And
fair
we
enough,
let
yeah,
them deal with you
yeah.
and we step back,
Yeah.
don't we?
But it, yeah, it
All
is
right,
only,
right, okay.
even
So-
if I was to do that, not that I would, but it's only a civil trespass anyway, isn't it?
It is.
If you're asked to leave, you leave, that's it, the end of. Yeah, it's when you ask to leave and you don't leave. Yeah.
So we just inform them. We don't
Yeah.
get an argument with you.
There's no point getting an argument, because it escalates, doesn't it?
I've got to go home. So,
Exactly, yeah.
to argue with it.
Yeah.
Take it easy.
No worries, yeah, well cheers anyway.
All right, lad.
Take care. All right. That's how you get dealt with.
Well, they were compliant.
Super polite, yeah. So we said there's a bridge down the road there. We could go and get some photos of the cooling towers from the bridge. He's even got blue lights on top of his security van.